under a blue sky. Square is steady with four equal sides, a perfect little block where fun resides. Come along, join the shape parade, learning and dancing in the sun and shade. Triangle, rectangle, star and heart, each one special, a piece of art. Triangle has three sides reaching high, rectangles long, stretching to the sky. Star sparkles bright like a little light, and the heart shows love so warm and right. Look around, shapes are here to play, in our toys, our art, and every day. Let's clap and sing, laugh and learn. With every shape, there's fun to earn.